Are you a content creator who constantly forgets to post on your Instagram account every other day? Or you're just an Instagram account manager who manages various accounts but finds it difficult to keep up with posting content in all these accounts? Well, I've got a solution for you. On today's video, I'll be walking you through how to schedule your Instagram posts right from your Instagram app itself with your mobile phone, all for free. But before that, our today's virtual hug goes to Idonsit Udosen 1320. Thank you so much for always engaging in our community. We love you so much. Mwah. Hey besties, it's your girl Blessing Equere saying welcome to our returning besties, and to our brand new besties we say welcome, welcome and welcome. In this community we talk about all things virtual assistants, remote job hunting aka working from home, technology trends, graphic designs with Canva, and every other thing you would need to survive as a freelancer. If any of these sounds interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment telling us where you're watching from so that we can send you a virtual hug on our next video. But if this does not sound interesting to you, still hit the subscribe button, because where are you going to? Without further ado, let's dive into why we are here today.
Open up your Instagram app and tap on the plus button to create a new post. Choose a photo or video you want to share with your followers. Next, you want to edit your post. You can add filters, music, or any necessary adjustments to your post. Then tap on next. Write a captivating caption and add relevant hashtags to boost the chances of being seen. Instead of tapping the share button, scroll to the bottom of the screen and select the advanced settings option. Toggle the schedule this post switch on. Set the date and time for your post and click on done. Go back by tapping the arrow up here and click on share to go live. You can preview your scheduled post in the scheduled content section of your Instagram profile setting. And voila, your scheduled content are all sitting pretty.
And that's it for today, besties. I hope you found value in that short, informative video. If you did, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and if there is any topic you would like us to discuss on our next video, kindly drop in the comment section. And also don't forget to tell us where you're watching from so that you can get a visual hug from us in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy scheduling.